Hello everyone and welcome back into a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to use hooks in Claude Code. Hooks in Claude Code are simple automations that run automatically when something happens. Think of them like triggers. For example, you can make Claude automatically format your code after editing a file, run tests before a command, or send you a notification when a task is finished. So to use hooks, you need to open your Claude Code settings file and add the hook configuration. Each hook has three parts: the event that triggers it, an optional filter, and the action you want it to run. Common hook events include these ones that I'm going to write them right in your screen. Session starts, and basically this one is when the Claude Code starts. Just gonna place them all here so you can see them. There is the session end when Claude Code closes, pre to use before Claude uses a tool, post to use after Claude uses tool, notification when Claude needs your attention. A popular example is automatically formatting code after Claude edits a file. Instead of manually running a formatter every time, a hook can do it for you automatically. Hooks are also useful for running tests automatically, blocking dangerous commands, sending desktop notification, enforcing coding standard, and automating repetitive development tasks. To see your current hooks, you can literally just go ahead and write /hooks, and this should help you to see the command inside the Claude Code, and this shows all the active hooks and what they do. So just remember that hooks can run real commands on your computer, so only use configuration from sources you trust. Once you set them up, hooks can save time and make Claude Code workflow much more efficient. And yeah, that was it for today's video guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and see you guys in the next upcoming video.